Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crisp and chewy gingerbread cookies with cream cheese frosting. Tart cream cheese frosting pairs super well with any spice dessert, and this is a good one. So let's get started. First, in a large bowl, add in the melted butter, brown sugar, and molasses, and whisk them until they're well combined. Feel the mixture. If it's quite hot, let it cool down before proceeding with the recipe. Then add in the egg and whisk until combined. Then into a separate medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and allspice, and whisk them until combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix until combined and it comes together into a dough. Divide the dough in half. Wrap each half in plastic wrap, flatten it into a disc, and refrigerate it for at least an hour until it's cold. If you have time, you can even leave them in overnight. Once they're well chilled, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Remove one of the dough halves from the fridge. Lightly flour the work surface and the top of the dough, and roll it out until it's about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch thick. The thinner it is, the more crisp the cookies will be, and vice versa. The thicker it is, the more soft they will be. Use a cookie cutter to cut out the cookie shapes. Feel free to use any shaped cookie cutter you like. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and place the cutout cookies onto the pan. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until set and just slightly browned around the edges. And I like to prepare the next batch while it's in the oven, so once they're done, I can immediately put the next batch in the oven. You can gather up the remaining dough, press them back together, and roll it out again and cut out more cookies. This recipe makes about 5 to 6 dozen cookies, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on the thickness and size of the cookies. When the cookies are done baking, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the pan for 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer until smooth. Sift in the powdered sugar. Mix it in on low speed until combined. Then beat it on medium to high speed for 1 minute. Add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until combined. and finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the cookies are completely cooled, just spread some of the frosting on top of them. Then add a light sprinkle of cinnamon on top of each one. And that's how to make crisp and chewy gingerbread cookies with cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.